feeling today?
I feel pretty good today.
Excellent. All right, take a deep breath in. Let it all the way out. There we go. And relax. Perfect. Take a deep breath in. Relax the hips here. Right there. Good. And in. And let it out. We're going to right sacroiliac joint here. There we go. Okay, take a deep breath in.